Woo!
If you're the first to come to me and tell me about that non-matching bridge, you win the no prize. It's our self-guided fishing area. You guys can come right here to self-guided fishing. By human hands. So because of that, if there are large rains or flooding that comes through, it'll change the shape of that creek over time. That's also the direction where you're going to find little Indian stables. We have 3 to 4 horse rides a day, and on special days we even have a lunch ride. You can ride the horses out, have a little picnic, and then bring the horses back to the stable. As you come down to the water crossing, this is your first look at Dogwood Creek here in our life. Just after we pass Indian Stables Road, you're going to see the foot of Pine Ridge Pass. Pine Ridge was an old log road. My advice to you, get those cameras out and be ready for the next water crossing. This is only about half the show on this side. If you guys will look off on the other, you're going to see that some of my food makes it across. And as it does, the fish that are down here will fight over the littlest bits of food to make it over to this side. These are the rainbow trout that I was talking about earlier. You're going to see a pink stripe that runs down the side of their body. Next up is Thunder Falls. Thunder gets its name because of the thunderous sound that you can hear. This has also become a very popular place for our young men. Come and ask that oh so special question, and you guys will see why. There's 2 waterfalls at the top come together to make one waterfall at the bottom. I just have to ask that as many of you young men are thinking about copying that question today to wait until the end of our tour if you're in case of a negative outcome. It's easier to deal with 15 minutes of uncomfortableness than an hour and... more of that watercress growing up from the base there. Watercress grows in areas where the water is very clean and clear. So you're going to see a bunch. you're having trouble seeing it, look all the way to the right side of the canyon. You're going to see some bars over the mouth of the cave. They also found a hole in the ceiling of the cave that would be used for filtering out smoke. And I can tell that is the males have this big bearded-like thing. You guys would give me a thumbs up or a wave off. Once you've gotten your pictures in, I would appreciate it. For further clarification, I'm looking for one sign when all cameras go down. Oh my goodness, check this out. There's a groundhog over here at the edge of the water, and then right on one of our weirs is a blue heron. That is so
there with a foot on there telling me, yeah, well, what are you going to do now? It's a job hard enough anyway. You guys are ready to feed the fish. Come on over.
Little fish, just about anything they can get their hands on, even small turtles.
Oh, so cute.
Did he jump in the water?
No, he went in the little hole.
There he is. He's swimming.
Awesome.
They're out hunting right now. Out of Oklahoma. And they come out of the ground looking just like this. Next up is Emerald Pool. Emerald Pool gets its name because of the deep, dark, greenish blue color made in the sea. To save you guys a little bit extra time, this appears entirely in the more shallow area. You're looking through all of those minerals all at the same time. It's only noticeable in the deeper areas, and this is the deepest natural point in the creek, from where that waterfall runs down to the crest of that rock face. This stuff springing off the tops of the Dolomite Cliff. My personal favorite is in the dead heart of winter. You can see 20-foot icicles hanging off of these Dolomite Cliffs. Well guys, that about wraps Red Slider there on the left. We're going to make a little pause for you guys to take some pictures of the sign as we're headed into There's a pink stripe that runs down the side of their bodies, and on their bellies is silver striped stuff. They just have a different pigment everywhere else. These dogs are larger than by all kinds of other predators.